Okay, this is a beast of a figure right here. This is the Portrait of Pirates, Warriors Alliance Maximum. Yeah, I like to just call it Zoro doing his demon thing. So, it's actually a really nice box, and the figure's much bigger than I thought. It's looking about a foot tall right now. This thing is pretty expensive. Like full retail is about, I want to say around $320. Crunchyroll was having an incredible sale on this, where I got it for like $75, if that. So I kind of had to jump on that because I really wanted this figure. So we're gonna open it up. So this is what we're looking at on the top here. Cool. So you pull it out. There's lots of swords. This pops out by the feel of it. Swords. We'll worry about them in a bit. Oh, I thought I could touch his face. Boing. Boing. If there's tape on one side, you can bet there's tape on the other. Now I just hope there's no tape on the bottom. All right, we're flipping him down. Things are getting serious. Oh, he's actually loose in the bottom. But that didn't stop him from taping it. I mean, am I going to complain that there's tape? No, because that means it's protected. So there's some weird bits of cloth there, I guess, for shipping. So that's nice. As I said, this is a really expensive figure, so I would hope it's well taken care of. Are you ready for the big unveiling? Oh, Master Zoro. Ooh. So, we've got a rocky base, some cool colors. He's got sword handles, whatever they're called, hilts, all over. He's got plastic around his head. That's unusual. I really hope it just kind of pulls out. No. Okay, it did. Alright, so there's your main Zoro head. He has two other heads. He has lots of little cloth bits you want to be careful with. And that is Zoro. My finger's danger close. Yippee! Oh, okay. Oh, and they're still protected. That's so much. And it doesn't look like he has that many hilts. So I'm guessing you can put these wherever you want. I don't know. There's your sword. It's like a purpley green. These seem to have little tags on them. Like that. Oh, because they have to get slotted in. I guess this is a mix and match. You can just have fun however you want. Like, are these placeholders? Oh, I see. So we're just gonna... Listen, I don't know what Zoro uses. So the swords are pretty loose. I don't love that. Like these things were in there like very firm. So either I'm putting the wrong swords in, but let's just try it. See, now that sword won't even fit in, so that's interesting. So it's like, am I putting in the right swords? Okay, so there's 3 swords in. Okay. All right, this was the black sword. I said they go into his hand. There is a 6-sword wielding demon man. Be careful of this. I keep hitting it real hard. A little ties for his scabbard. Nice chest, Zoro. Which there is his scar from Hawkeye on there. Ooh and ah. Well, that actually pushes in pretty deep. Ooh. Cool. Next face. So that one's not really... Oh, there we go. Alright, it clicked in, but honestly, you could have just sat it on the arm and it wouldn't have really gone anywhere. You know what I just realized? There's also numbers. So which one's 1, 2, and 3? Okay, only... Oh, that's a 3. I think I just rubbed the paint off. So I'm going to assume 3 is this one. Yeah. So for future reference, you've got regular Zoro is 1. Then to the left is 2. Okay. There we have a whole lot of blades for a whole lot of Zoro. And I love it. Zoro.